Welcome to Phone Doctors tutorial videos. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to repair the iPhone 5C home button flex. On a scale from 1 to 10, this repair difficulty is rated a 7. The estimated time for this repair is 25 minutes. Don't forget, with the original screw mat, you will never lose a screw again. Screw mat is available for most popular Android and Apple devices. For all your DIY kits, screw mats, and repair tool needs, visit us at PHONEDOCTORS.com. Use coupon code iPhone5C110 and receive 10% off your entire purchase. You can also find and visit us on all the popular social networks. Now, let's get started on the repair. Step 1. Ensure your device is powered down. Step 2. Remove the 2 bottom screws with the pentalobe screwdriver. Step 3. If the glass of your device is shattered severely, it's best to use a suction cup to pull up the screen. If the digitizer is badly shattered, it's best to use the metal spudger tool. Be careful not to scratch up or dent the housing when prying up the LCD. Step 4. Remove the 4 LCD screws with the 00 Phillips screwdriver. This is so you can unplug the LCD digitizer flex cables. Then, remove the LCD digitizer shield. Step 5. Unplug the 3 LCD digitizer flex cables from the board. Step 6. Remove the 2 Phillips screws from the proximity shield. Then remove the shield. Step 7. Remove the ear speaker. Step 8. Remove the flex safety tape. Then remove the proximity front camera flex with your plastic pry tool. Step 9. Insert the proximity front camera flex back into the LCD frame. Make sure it's securely inserted or your proximity sensor will not work. Step 10. Align ear speaker back into place. Step 11. If the proximity shield needs a little bending to fit on the LCD frame, now is the time to do so. Align shield and insert the 2 Phillips screws. Step 12. Plug all 3 LCD digitizer connectors back onto the board. Align the shield and insert all 4 Phillips screws. Step 13. Snap LCD digitizer back into the housing securely. Make sure everything is flush with the housing. Step 14. Insert the 2 pentalobe screws back into the bottom of housing. This is the end of the repair video.